Hey guys, it's V8 Junkie here. Today we're going to be installing this tow hook, and it's going to come out the front grille insert right here on the C5 Z06 Corvette. So let's get to it. So to start out, this is not a simple bolt-on modification. You do have to drill into the frame and install some nut certs or riv nuts, whatever you want to call them. We do have to remove the air intake, the upper radiator support, the lower air dam, the main radiator duct, just to gain access to the frame cross member. And we have to remove obviously the right front fog light housing screen. So let's get all that accomplished and then see what we got from there. Okay, so now we're under the car, and this is where the tow hook is going to sit. So we already made our two little marks. We're going to drill our pilot holes. Let's go ahead and do that now. Alright, now we're topside. We're doing our holes for the back side of the front cross frame. So we'll get those drilled out, get our riv nut set, and then bolt the tow hook and see how it looks. Right, so there's the tow hook. We got it all bolted up from the bottom and the back. It's pretty solid. Not going anywhere. So now next step is to trim our screen. We're going to start small, and because it's not a precise measurement on where to cut this, so we're going to start small and then gradually work our way around the tow hook and see what our final product looks like. Alright guys, I went ahead and got the screen trimmed out. I'm going to go ahead and get some of that door trim molding, and we're going to install it on those sharp edges there to give it a nice finished look. Let's go ahead and see how it fits around the tow hook. Be careful not to scratch it. And then we'll repaint the screens black, just touch them up after we're done. And that's pretty much what it's gonna look like. I know it looks crooked, but it's not crooked. It's just the way that the screen is on the car. So that's how it sticks out. That's what it looks like there. So almost there. Okay, so I went ahead and got my little piece of door molding, put it on the screen.
Now it slides actually a lot easier into place. Has a nice finished look to it. We're going to go ahead and, like I said, respray these screens with a rubberized coating so they won't get rock chipped and chip up easily. So we're going to go ahead and do that next and then put everything else back together.
Alright guys, there it is. Tow hook is installed. Car is on the ground. It's all ready to go. Got the grill repainted. Got our trim piece on the bottom there. So it looks good. No sharp edges. Nice finished product. Alright guys, that's it for this one. And if you like this video, please go ahead and subscribe. Give me a thumbs up. And this is VA Junkie. Until next time.